Hi guys. Just getting my Union Pacific set up here. I'm gonna get my BNSF here. And my little black car. My TTX little black car. My CSX cool car. And Union Pacific box cars. Saskatchewan hopper car. It's a Canada one. It's a Canada hopper car. Green. I didn't get the one that I wanted. But I don't care with that one. And I got my BNSF hopper car. Okay. And I want my CSX blue, maybe black hopper. I'll fix this. And I'll get the Canadian National tanker. It's pretty cool. And my BNSF out of the rack. The last one. Okay. There we go. And here we get ready. I'm going to start moving. There's no train horns at the rail yard. Over here at the end of the rail yard, a train is coming, and also a Union Pacific train. And it's here. It's gonna be going at the railroad over here. I'll show you guys. Over here at the railroad, it's pretty cool. I like it. Here is the sign. Sign right. That's the sign. So here's the railroad, and the train is at this railroad right now. Let's start moving it. Okay, our engine is in the parking garage, which is right here. We have the big railroad sign in the background. And we have the train right here also at the railroad. And we're going to put the keys down. No train. Things are long in here. Problems. I have problems. That always happens. No trucks allowed on the sidewalk. Go. There's the end. Where's the other rack? Oh, it seems like it's stuck. Another rack is stuck. Oh no. Oh no. Sorry, guys. Okay. Get the other rack. Just fell off the tracks. That's one that I have problems with. That was the one that was making problems. There we go. Now we're over here at the construction site where it says road closed. Right there. Road closed. Okay. Over here at the train tracks right here. The train has arrived. Somewhere downtown. And it's coming back to the rail yard over here. Here's the Union Pacific and BNSF train right here. Oops. Oh. Problems. I got down the train.